In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can fix analog stick drift PS4 controller. So let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is to clean the analog stick. So I'm just going to write down the steps and we're going to go ahead on how you can do this. Clean the analog stick. Okay. So, disassemble carefully. You have to open your PS4 controller being cautious not to damage any components. You could also refer to specific tutorials online for this. Then the next step is to clean with isopropyl alcohol. You have to use a cotton swab or soft cloth dampened with isopropyl alcohol to gently clean the analog stick, potentiometer, and surrounding areas. Avoid excessive force or abrasive materials. Then you have to remove debris. Inspect for any visible debris or dirt that might be causing the drift. Remove any foreign particles carefully. The second step is to reassemble the controller. Reassemble the controller. Okay. So carefully reassemble the controller, ensuring all parts are properly secured. The next step is to check for firmware updates. Check for firmware updates. Okay. So ensure your PS4 controller firmware is up to date because outdated firmwares can sometimes contribute to stick drift. The next one is consider controller replacement. Consider replacement. Okay. So if cleaning and firmware updates don't resolve the issue, you might need to replace the analog stick module or the entire controller. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.